Well, the history of Fry's Electronics in Burbank. Yes, it was what we got here? The Unimart. Kind of like a Fedco, discount department store. And what I further read here was at the corner of Hollywood Way and Van Owen, and it was a discount store, but was purchased by Lockheed in the late 60s and early 70s. And basically later on through the years, it became Fry's Electronics in Burbank. And that big parking structure that's across from the tracks of it, all those buildings, those are all part of Lockheed Aircraft. And they've been torn down, and as I said, it's a parking structure across from there. And I have a photograph here that shows the department store in the Aviator's Dome. That's very interesting to go in. That's a memorial to the fallen aviators, World War I, World War II. That's all in Burbank. And so anyway, had the photos. Hope you enjoyed the clip, and we'll see you in the next one.